Good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're just replacing the suspension arm on the Toyota Prius 2016, 2017, 2018. So I have a problem of knocking noise from the suspension. We have changed the drop rings, the suspension still persisted. We have changed the G bushes, the suspension noise has still persisted. So we're now going to change the wishbone, and I cannot see any damage on this one. Obviously, of course, the rubber is very weak. The rubber is very weak. This one is very weak. It's damaged. This guy just got lots of cracks. Let me show you from this side. So it's got lots of cracks, this rubber. So the noise is still been coming. So we have decided to change the suspension arm. And after suspension arm is changed, if the noise still persists, we might have to look at the top mount. And unfortunately, in the 2012-2015 Prius, the noise was located in the steering rack. The noise was coming from the steering rack. So equally, if all this fails, the noise still persists, that's a knocking noise, we may have to change the steering rack completely. We have to completely change it. Or one other thing we have changed is the truck rod hand. We have changed or put new ones, and we are still free after changing the suspension arm. The noise should stop. How did we replace the suspension arm? Well, this is the main reason I'm making this video. Generally, as usual, ensure that your car's ported on axle stand on both sides. Remove the bottom engine cover, then undo the drive shaft nut, and after that undo the ball joint nut underneath, and pull away the leg of this one so that it can come off the suspension arm, which it did. So the ball joint was down here. After that, ideally, I recommend that you should also remove the drop ring one side. I mean, the top nut, just remove it off so that the stabilizer link can go up. Because when putting it back, if you don't do that, it can be a little bit difficult. But in my case, I will try to push back without removing the drop ring, and hopefully it should be easy. If it becomes difficult, I'll put a jack underneath here just to push the stabilizer link up. Yeah, so the process is straightforward. The suspension arm secured by two screws basically. There's a long screw which you're going to use socket number 24, and where's the screw? Where have I put it? Yeah, this one. So this is uses socket number 24. That's the one that comes this side, and I've got this one uses socket number 19. That's the one that comes up here, and this one also got a nut on top. Okay guys, I'll try it. If you read the description, I will explain much clearly. I'm so sorry for poor quality of the video, and please remember, bullying is not allowed in any way or format. Thank you.